For nearly 3 months, the eastbound Freya on-ramp has been closed, and now the Washington Department of Transportation is proposing permanently closing the ramp.
Graham 2's Amanda Rowley is along I-90 in Freya tonight. She joins us with how this could impact drivers.
The Freya eastbound on-ramp has been closed since the end of June. It's reopened temporarily a few times since then, but WSDOT says it's considering a permanent closure to further reduce collisions and improve travel time on I-90. As of now, WSDOT says it will keep the eastbound Freya on-ramp closed. That is, until construction to connect the North Spokane Corridor to I-90 begins. Traffic Engineering Manager Glenn Wagemann says prior to the pandemic and Spokane's ramp meters, I-90 congestion would build every day around 3 p.m. from the eastbound Freya on-ramp. It would slowly build from there all the way back to Highway 195. Lasting about 2 hours.
So we'd see the stop and go traffic for that distance.
He admits there is still some congestion when the Freya on-ramp is closed, but he says closing the ramp and using ramp meters is improving the flow of traffic through this stretch of I-90.
But since it has been closed, we see no congestion backups from that. And what we also see is that speeds that were 39 miles an hour when the ramp was open, we're now at 59 miles an hour. So that's during the PM commute. So we have speeds that are more at free flow.
Public feedback on the proposed closure show 54% support closing the Freya on-ramp, while 46% do not support it.
And I-90 folks are saying, yeah, it just creates all that weaving, slowing down.
WSDOT says there are provisions in the North Spokane Corridor for a Freya on-ramp in 2023. The options the North Spokane Corridor office is considering include a short bridge or keeping the ramp closed and using the Custer on-ramp as it is used today.
They're going to have to approach this in stages to be able to do the connections. We've got to maintain traffic movement throughout the work, and to do that, they've got to sequence it to where they can make that work.
I also want to clarify some confusion with the end date posted there on the ramp closure sign here at the Freya on-ramp. WSDOT says that sign pertains to the closure needed to pave I-90 from Hamilton to Sprague, which was set to wrap on Sunday. So separate from that project, WSDOT says the Freya on-ramp will remain closed. Amanda Rowley from 2 News.